Draw Learning. Hello guys, welcome to Draw Learning channel. Today we are going to draw a funny hedgehog while we learn Spanish. Let's draw the body. Body in Spanish is said CUERPO. Now we draw its famous quills, that in Spanish is said púa. Be careful, they sting a lot, but it's very funny. Let's go with his little hands. Hand in Spanish is MANO. We draw his feet. Feet in Spanish are said pies. We draw their lovely eyes. Eyes in Spanish is OJOS. Now the mouth. Mouth in Spanish is said BOCA. It's time for the question of the day. How do you say hedgehog in Spanish? At the end of the chapter, we will know it. Now let's fill the drawing with color. Let's go with the brown, which in Spanish is MARRON. We use light brown, that in Spanish is said marrón claro. Let's see if you know the answer. Hedgehog in Spanish is ERIZO. Fantastic! You have got it right. Very good. If you liked the video and you want to see more, feel free to like and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next drawing.